Hello everyone, I'm Akmali Omar Jr. and in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Hole Wizard feature in SolidWorks. The Hole Wizard allows us to easily create standard holes such as counter bore, countersink, and tapped holes. It helps make holes faster and more accurate compared to drawing and cutting them manually. First, I'll create a simple base plate using extruded boss base. I start by I start by making a rectangle sketch, and then I extrude it about 10 millimeters thick. Next, I go to the Features tab and then click Hole Wizard. I select the type of hole. For this example, I'll use a counter bore hole. Then I choose the unsymmetric standard, set the hole size and depth, and move to the Position tab. I click on the top face of my plate to place the whole locations, 4 points, one on each corner. After that, click OK to finish. As you can see, SolidWorks automatically creates the hole based on the settings I selected. I can also rotate the model to clearly show the holes from different angles. And that's how easy it is to use the Hole Wizard features in SolidWorks. Fast, simple, and precise. Thank you for watching.